We need to change the starter on this 787 engine. It's a 99 GTX RFI. First we're going to get this wrench with the Allen head at the end and the extensions. These are going to loosen up the bolts from the starter. I've got the wrench down in there where you can see it. You can loosen up both of the bolts on the front of the starter, going in from the front of the engine. To get the bolt on the rear bracket, you can see the rear bracket there next to the red wire. You'll have to take that red wire off the side of the starter, and you might have to take off that oil pump cable right there also. I use this 1/4 inch ratchet with a little adapter and the Allen head, and you can see tape everything together, because if one part falls out and goes under the engine, it's almost impossible to get. Once you have the 3 bolts off and the red wire, you can actually pull it out through this little hole in the center of the engine. Kind of get it right up through there. It comes right out with a little jiggling. This is an SBT starter that jammed up on the flywheel and my engine was locked up. I thought the engine was ruined, but I pulled the starter out and everything works fine.